This is gonna be a short one, but I wanted to jump on here and show you all this. Hey guys, you wanna know what happens when you run a bar that's too big for the chainsaw and don't mix your gas rich enough? Let me show you. So the customer brought in his MS311 with a 32-inch bar on it and very lean mixture of fuel. He said that the pull rope was not catching. It's working fine, the dogs are just fine. So the next thing I do, I check the gas and realized how lean it was. Next thing I do, I fill the flywheel and I can just turn the flywheel with my finger, which you are not supposed to be able to do. But check out what happened inside. Now this saw is almost brand new. Look at that hole. Oh no. Let me move it down just a little bit so you can get a good picture of what's going on. It is completely scored up and blew a hole straight through the top of that piston. I'm trying to get in there good. Wow! So guys, always pay attention to the max bar that can be on a chainsaw. This one has about 59 cc's, I think, and really probably a 24-inch bar is about what you want to do on this thing. Also, if you're going to run a big bar, mix a little heavy.